Hey everyone, the MSI MPG 325CQRXF is a premium 31.5-inch curved gaming monitor designed to cater to both competitive gamers and content creators. As part of MSI's performance gaming lineup, it brings a host of significant enhancements over its predecessor, the MPG 325CQRXF2, solidifying its position as a top-tier option in its category. At the heart of the MPG 325CQRXF lies a rapid VA panel with an immersive 1000R curvature and a resolution of 2560 by 1440. Gamers will appreciate its lightning-fast 280Hz refresh rate and a near-instantaneous 0.5 milliseconds response time, which combine to minimize motion blur and deliver fluid gameplay. Meanwhile, creators can rely on its robust color performance with 127% sRGB and 96% DCI-P3 gamut coverage, ensuring vibrant and accurate image reproduction. The VESA Display HDR 400 certification adds to its appeal, providing enhanced brightness and detail for HDR content. Adaptive sync technology is included for smooth, tear-free gaming experiences, making this monitor ideal for those seeking precision and responsiveness. Connectivity options are ample, with two HDMI 2.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.4 connection, and versatile Type-C port that supports 15-watt power delivery. Additional ports, including two USB 2.0 Type-A slots and headphone jack, add convenience for various setups. Its integrated power source reduces cable clutter, contributing to cleaner workspace. Ergonomics are well addressed with tilt, height, and swivel adjustments, allowing users to customize their viewing angle for comfort. The monitor's frameless design supports seamless multi-monitor setups, while AI vision technology dynamically adjusts color saturation and brightness based on on-screen content. Firmware updates can be performed via USB, and MSI's Gaming Intelligence Suite provides automated settings tailored to different scenarios. Weighing 8.1 kilos with its stand, MSI MPG 325CQRXF is a substantial piece of equipment that exudes quality. Its combination of high-performance specifications and thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for gamers and creators alike. While pricing and availability details remain under wraps, features set alone positions this monitor as a compelling option in the premium gaming display market. On a related note, competing brands like AOC are also making waves in gaming monitor space, with products like the AG276QSG offering a 27-inch fast IPS panel, 2K resolution, and a 360Hz refresh rate. However, the MSI MPG 325CQRXF carves its niche with a larger screen size, a superior VA panel for contrast, and a focus on balancing creative and gaming needs. For those seeking a versatile and cutting-edge display, MSI's latest offering stands out as a strong contender. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.